Good day and welcome to the channel. In this very short video, we are going to provide a review of WinXVideo AI. Now, we have separated out into a different video, a full tutorial of how to use it. We'll go over some of the core features here, but this is meant to be a very short review. If you want the full review and full tutorial, the link will be in the description and popping up at the top here. If you want to know if the product does what it claims it does, which is to easily and quickly manipulate video and still pictures, upscaling, sharpening, basic colorization, then yes, it does all of those, and it does it on the cheap. Currently, this product is a whopping $37. They add features all the time, but it does have some limitations. Let's get started with the product. You download it, install it, it's click next. There's nothing much to worry about. We've validated it doesn't have any malware or extra garbage built into it, so you can safely install it. And we've used it ourselves for about 4 years now. The interesting features here are image AI and video AI. Audio AI is a new tool we're not going to cover right this moment, but you can play with it yourself. Let's go to image AI first. So the very first thing you need to do, if you have a dedicated graphics processing unit, is in the top right hand corner, change it from CPU to your GPU. In our case, that makes about a 300% performance improvement. Let's drag some graphics on, some photos, and it starts working on them immediately. Click the split screen at the top, and you can see that it went to work. It applied this model, which is the general detail version 3, and a scaling of twice, so it's 2 times as large. And just sliding back and forth, you can see how much better it is. Let's zoom in. Just radically clearer. So much better. Let's talk about these models in super resolution, the AI models. The general detail one you've seen. Real smooth, that's for very flat objects or images, things like the sky, where there's not a lot of depth. And you'll find that you'll change back and forth between general detail and real smooth as your 2 primary. Anime model is for things with very sharp lines, geometric objects, computer graphics, anime. And ZYXT, really only of use if you have a very, very old computer. I'll click the real smooth and let's see what it does. Loads the model and starts working immediately. As you can see in this case, it does about as good a job as the general model. Here's a picture of my grandfather, and I've set this one to 3 times the size. And you can see it's done a nice job of clearing it up. And this gives us a good test of face restoration. Pay attention to his eyes. We'll turn on face restoration. This is going to rebuild the face. You can see now his eyes are closed. So it did a nice job of cleaning it up, but the eyes it got wrong. I've only seen this once or twice, but I thought you should see it. Let's go to colorization. It does a pretty basic job, but it does improve this old black and white. Look at the seat. 2 different models here. Let's talk about what it doesn't do. Let's click on this old photo of my other set of grandparents. And you can see this photo is highly damaged and missing a piece. WinXVideo will not repair this, and it will not generate the missing piece using AI. Now let's look at video AI. Same thing, change the GPU to your GPU if you have one. If you don't, it'll work just fine. It'll just be slower. Drag your video on, split screen, and you can see it does a great job here. But take a look at my oldest daughter's nose here. It's not quite right. Let's change that to real smooth. Much better. Frame interpolation increases the frame count. So if you have a 30 frame per second video like this one, you can make it a 60 frame per second video. And that's really good for sports or other high motion activities. We cover slow motion in the other video. Stabilization, putting this plainly, WinXAI video, stabilization, pointless. Let's go to the export settings. We played with the quality levels. As you can see here, we have 3 different sizes we tested. The high is the happy one. That's what it defaults to. That's the one you want to use. We didn't see any visible difference in the quality of these 3, but the file size was massively different. All right, so let's take a quick look. Yeah, it's much improved. You can see the stripes on the cat. My oldest daughter's nose is improved. All the pixelation is gone. So this preview is an accurate representation of what you get. It's a huge improvement. So overall, what do we think of WinXVideo? It does exactly what it says it does, and it does it super cheap. If you have other professional tools like Virtual Dub or Photoshop, this isn't the product for you, because those do a lot more. However, if you're a home user or even a corporation that needs your videos and pictures cleaned up and upsized quickly and for an insanely inexpensive price, then WinXVideo won't let you down. It's a solid product. Hey, if you found the video useful, big thumbs up. It'd be super appreciated. Subscribe's also appreciated. Also, check out our full WinXVideo tutorial. We've linked in the description below.